Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have Blender open and a scene loaded. Now take control of the viewport. First, enable the navigation gizmo at the top right to show orbit, pan, and zoom handles. Then, if you use a laptop keyboard, go to Preferences and enable numpad emulation so the number keys act like a numpad. Once done, practice. Press 1 for front, 3 for right, 7 for top. These keys instantly change your view and set the frame for further adjustments. Now you refine how you move. Orbit the view with the middle mouse button to inspect models. Hold Shift plus middle mouse to pan the view sideways or up and down. Zoom smoothly with the mouse wheel or hold Control and drag with middle mouse. Use numpad 1, 3, 7 to jump to precise axes and add Control to get the opposite side. Toggle between perspective and orthographic with numpad 5 and press numpad 0 to enter. Finish by aligning and locking the view so your framing stays consistent. Select an object and use View, Align Active to Selected to center it. This makes further inspection precise. To keep the view steady while editing, open the Sidebar View tab and lock the view to the camera or to the selected object. If the view unexpectedly jumps, use View Frame Selected or press numpad period to refocus. And if necessary, clear viewport transforms to restore normal navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.